In this video, we are going to show you how to test your internet connection to make sure that you have a great experience in ClearConcepts demo classes or even our live classes. The first thing to remember is that your computer must be fairly new, must have headphones if you want to use the microphone. If you don't want to use the microphone, then speakers are fine. If you do want to use a microphone to ask questions, then you need a microphone as well. Now, to check your internet connection, the first thing we need to do is to check whether you have Flash installed on your browser. And in order to do this, you need to visit the link that's on your screen. This link goes something like this: http://duber.com/letstalk/playercheck.html. Now, if you load up this page, and I've done that, let me just refresh it and see what happens. So if once the page loads up, you should get something like this, and you should see a version number like this, all right, on your screen. If you get something like this, it means Flash is installed on your browser. If you don't get something like this, then what you need to do is you need to go to this link which says download Flash, click on it. On the options that show up, you want to run or install the software, and then close your browser before opening it again, and that will ensure that you have Flash installed on your browser. The next thing to do is to check whether you have Java installed on your computer, and to do that you need to go to the second link, which goes something like this: http://www.java.com/en/download/testjava.jsp. If you do have Java loaded on your computer, then you will get something like this, a page like this that shows up, and you can see here it says your Java is working, latest Java installed. If you don't get this, then you can click on this link, free Java download, choose your operating system and download the correct version. Make sure that you download and run or install the software as well. Just downloading is not enough. Okay, now let's assume you've got Flash and Java installed. Now how do we proceed to check whether your connection is good enough? To do that, go to a new blank web page, open up a Google search page and search for VISUALWARE, Visualware, VOIP, test, TEST, and you'll see this link pop up, VoIP, voice over IP testing by Visualware. Click on this, and if you have Java installed, if you have Flash installed, you should see this map opening up. You want to go to Asia, click anywhere on Asia. Once the map focuses on Asia, go to Singapore. You'll see this pin on Singapore. Click on that, and then you'll see VoIP over here. Click on VoIP, and once you do that, you'll see that this test opens up. Now you can see this button here, click to start test. Click on this, and bear in mind that this test will take a couple of minutes to run. As it starts, you'll get this bar, voice over IP simulation started, and it'll tell you how the progress of that is going on. You need to wait till the test is obviously complete, and as you can see, the progress bar starts to move as the test progresses. So let's just wait till it's done. It'll happen very quickly. There we go. So as you can see here, and you need to go back to the VoIP tab here. As you can see, you need to have this jitter parameter under 5 milliseconds, and need to have this packet loss parameter as close to 0 as possible. Both of them definitely need to be in the green areas. If they're not in the green areas and are getting into the yellows or the reds, then it means that something's wrong with your internet connection, and you're going to have to make some changes to it to get a good class experience at ClearConcepts. A second test that we recommend that you do is just simply testing the raw speed of your connection. And again, this needs Java to work. So you will see the application load up. You can see this begin test button. click it and you just need to wait for a while. It'll do its stuff. It'll locate the best server to test against. It'll calculate your download speed, upload speed, and present those results to you and for you to use. As you can see, it's testing my download speed now. It's now going to test my upload speed. And that's almost done. Let's just wait a second or so till it completes. There we go. And here are the numbers. As you can see that my download speed is about 2.5 Mbps. My upload speed is about 0.7 Mbps. You need a download speed of at least 512 kbps. This translates to approximately 0.5 Mbps. And an upload speed of at least 0.1 Mbps, or that translates to roughly 100 kbps. Okay, so these are the minimum speeds that you need. I suggest that you do these tests at least 2 or 3 times during the day, because then that will tell you really across the day how is your connection, not just at any one point in time. So if you do that over 3 or 4 times, an average will give you roughly what your connection speed is. And this test will give you, the one we did earlier, will tell you what is the quality of your connection. Bear in mind that if the numbers don't meet these minimum parameters, and I'll repeat them for you, on the quality test you need a packet loss of less than 0.2%, this first number here. You need a jitter of less than 5 milliseconds, and in the speed test, the test we did second, you need a download speed of at least 512 kbps and an upload speed of at least 0.1 Mbps. These are the minimums. Less than this, you may not have a good class experience.